Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm putting a support on the back side of this Kobalt saw stand. I bought it yesterday for this saw that I just bought from Harbor Freight. Damn great saw, really is. And this is a great stand. It's just got one little problem, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to zoom in on it so I can show you what I'm talking about. Without any kind of extra support behind it, you watch this saw. When it goes back, look, you see the plate? See the saw? And it's as tight as I can get it. I followed their instructions. I went by right by the book. I took the saw back off, and there's a screw under here you can tighten up, and it's as tight as you can get it, and it still doesn't. So I had to come up with something. This is just temporary. I'll probably get in there and weld something up with a couple pieces of angle iron, put a turnbuckle on it or something where I can put it under there and I can adjust it perfectly. But for now I have it. You see what I've thrown together here. So now when the saw goes back, you don't see any motion. I'm going to show you with the level. You can see it's level right there. I'm going to take my support out from under it. Saw go back. Look how far out of level it went. You don't want that. So that's my temporary solution for that problem. Now the saw stays nice and level, all the play's out of it. You don't want it kicking up because it'll throw you off on your level this way and that way, throw you cut off. That's the only thing I found wrong with this stand. This thing is built like a tank, except for that right there. Other than that, it's great. It was on sale at Lowe's yesterday, $99, down from $155. If I couldn't pass it up, it's a good stand, except for that. And this is a big saw. It really is. This is a big saw. It's got the center of gravity on this saw is way back. And a standard saw, just a regular miter saw, probably would be fine. And there's several other ways I could do this. You could put a self-tapping screw, or just put 2 self-tapping screws in it, make it solid as a rock. But, you know, it's got a year warranty on it. I hate to mess that up. And I'm sure if you went and drilled a hole in it, they'd void the warranty. But there's not much to break on this thing. It's a good solid stand. So that's my fix for now. Like I say, I'll probably take some angle iron and make something different, but that right there will work anywhere, anytime.